Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about ethical hacking. Ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking, involves using hacking techniques to identify and fix vulnerabilities in computer systems. It is an important skill for everyone working in it or cybersecurity, and it's also a fascinating subject in its own right. So let's dive in. Part 1, Understanding Ethical Hacking. Before we dive before we dive into the technical aspects of ethical hacking, it's important to understand what it is and why it's important. Ethical hacking is the practice of using hacking techniques for the purpose of identifying and fixing securities vulnerabilities in computer systems. It is a way to test the security of a system in a controlled environment and find weakness before malicious hackers can exploit them. This helps organizations to protect their assets and data, and it also helps to keep individuals safe online. Part 2, Tools and Techniques of Ethical Hacking. Now that we have covered the basics, let's dive into some of the tools and techniques used in ethical hacking. Some of the most commonly used tools include network scanners, password crackers, and vulnerabilities scanners. These tools can help you identify weaknesses in systems, such as unsecured ports or weak passwords. Other techniques used in ethical hacking include social engineering, which involves using psychological tactics to trick people into revealing sensitive information, and penetration testing, which involves simulating a cyber attack to identify vulnerabilities. Part 3, Ethical Hacking in Practice. So, what does ethical hacking look like in practice? Well, ethical hackers typically start by performing a reconnaissance of the target system to gather information about it. This might involve scanning the network for open ports, searching for vulnerabilities in the software, or using social engineering techniques to gather information about the system's user. Once the ethical hacker has identified potential vulnerabilities, they will attempt to exploit them in order to gain access to the system. They will then document their finding and work with the organization to fix any vulnerabilities that were discovered. Conclusion. So that's a brief overview of ethical hacking. I hope this video has been informative and has given you a better understanding of what ethical hacking is and why it's important. If you are interested in learning more about ethical hacking, there are many resources available online, including tutorial courses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more information. Thank you.